Tesla just made one of the biggest product decisions in its history. And if you were waiting for the Model 2, this video is going to change everything you thought you knew. Let's start with the cold, hard truth. The Tesla Model 2, the car that was supposed to cost around $25,000 and bring Tesla to the masses, is no longer moving forward as a standalone product. It's been quietly removed from Tesla's launch roadmap. And if you're feeling disappointed right now, you're definitely not alone. Millions of people around the world built their EV plans around that car. Some even held off buying any vehicle just because they were waiting for it. That's how much it meant. But here's the thing. Tesla isn't shrinking. It's replacing the Model 2 with something far more interesting. And by the end of this video, you might actually agree that this new direction makes a whole lot more sense. How the Model 2 started and why it ended. For years, the $25,000 Tesla wasn't just a rumor, it was Elon Musk's own promise. Back when Tesla introduced the Roadster, the whole plan was a step-down strategy. Start expensive, then gradually get more affordable. The Roadster led to the Model S. The Model S led to the Model 3. And the Model 3 was supposed to lead to something even cheaper, a true mass-market car. That's where the Model 2 came in. People weren't just excited, they were obsessed. Fan renders went viral, community forums lit up with specs debates, and some buyers genuinely refused to purchase any other car while they waited. That almost never happens in the auto industry. Normally, consumers buy what exists. The fact that an unreleased car had that kind of hold over buyers? Extraordinary. Then came the reality check. By 2026, it became clear that the numbers simply didn't work. A $25,000 car sounds great for consumers, but for Tesla, the profit margins would be dangerously thin, especially while trying to maintain the same level of technology and build quality people expect from the brand. Building a high-tech car affordably is one of the hardest challenges in the entire automotive industry. And here's the strategic reality Elon Musk had to face. If Tesla launched the Model 2, sales of the Model 3 and Model Y, which still generate healthy profits and sell in massive numbers worldwide, would take a serious hit. So what did Tesla do instead? It scrapped the Model 2 and redirected all of that Giga Texas production capacity toward the Cybercab, a robotaxi. A vehicle that isn't sold once, it generates ongoing revenue for years. That's a business model with dramatically larger upside than any $25,000 budget car could ever deliver. The Model 2 didn't fail. It was outcompeted by a much bigger idea. Something was just spotted at Giga Texas. Now here's where things get really interesting. Just recently, drone footage captured something unusual sitting outside Giga Texas. A large vehicle body, fully wrapped in blue plastic, sitting inside a wooden shipping crate right in the middle of a construction zone. At first glance, it looked like a standard car frame in early production testing. But when people started comparing the proportions, everything changed. This body is noticeably longer than the standard US spec Model Y. The rear doors extend further past the wheel arch. The rear glass runs all the way to the spoiler in a way that's clearly different from any existing Tesla in the US lineup. Experts and online communities quickly reached one conclusion. This is the Model Y-L, the long wheelbase version already launched in China. The Model Y-L isn't new to Asian markets. It's already rolling out in China to meet the demand of larger families, offering 6- or 7-seat configurations, more interior space, and greater daily flexibility. With an overall length of about 16.34 feet and a wheelbase of over 9.84 feet, it's significantly bigger than the standard Model Y. But more importantly, it solves a real-world problem that the Model 2 never could. If you step back and think about what the market is actually asking for, this move makes complete sense. People don't just want cheap, they want space, features, and flexibility for everyday family life. And in that context, the Model YL isn't just a bigger car, it's a smarter product strategy. Instead of pushing price down as far as possible, Tesla is increasing value. More seating, more cargo space, a more family-friendly layout. And here's the manufacturing kicker. Building the Model YL requires almost no new production infrastructure. It reuses the existing Model Y platform, saving Tesla billions and dramatically shortening time to market. The end of an era. Model S and Model X. While all of this new product activity is happening, Tesla is simultaneously closing one of the most significant chapters in its history. The company has confirmed plans to stop production of the Tesla Model S and Tesla Model X by 2026. Tesla's South Korea division announced that March 31, 2026 will be the final deadline for new orders of both models globally. This isn't just a business decision, it's the end of a legacy. The Model S proved that electric cars could compete directly with luxury sedans. The Model X, with its iconic falcon wing doors, carved out a completely unique identity. Together, these two vehicles established Tesla as a serious automaker and set the foundation for everything that followed. But the market has moved on. In 2025, the Model S and Model X combined represented only about 3% of Tesla's total global deliveries, a steep decline from their peak years. The production lines freed up by ending Model S and Model X production won't sit idle. Tesla has announced plans to repurpose that capacity for the Tesla Optimus humanoid robot with an ambitious target of up to 1 million units per year. That alone signals just how dramatically Tesla's strategic focus is shifting, from being a car company to being a broader technology platform company, where autonomous vehicles and humanoid robots represent the next frontier of growth. Closing. So let's zoom out and look at the full picture. Tesla is canceling the Model 2, not because it failed, but because a robotaxi business model offers far more long-term upside. Tesla is bringing the Model YL to North America, solving the family vehicle problem more intelligently than a cheap compact car ever could. Tesla is strongly hinting at a cyber SUV, a product that could finally crack the full-size SUV market Tesla has never truly dominated. And Tesla is retiring the Model S and X, repurposing those resources for robots and next-generation vehicles. This isn't a company retreating. This is a company making hard, strategic bets on the future and eliminating anything that gets in the way of those bets. Whether you think that's brilliant or risky, one thing is clear. Tesla in 2026 looks nothing like Tesla in 2020. And that's probably the point. That's all for today's update. What do you think? Is Tesla making the right call by replacing the affordable Model 2 with the Model YL and a potential cyber SUV? Drop your take in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown valuable, hit subscribe. We cover Tesla deeper than anyone else. See you in the next one.